I like to do is just clear out as much as you can from underneath the sink. So first thing I recommend is unhooking this. This is the drain pipe to the dishwasher. Just take a screwdriver, unscrew this like that. Loosen that up. Once this loosens up, you can wiggle that off. The other thing I like to recommend is taking a towel.
Don't forget to bring a towel.
I'm just putting a towel underneath here because there might be a few drips and nasty stuff. The next thing is you want to unscrew this guy. Looks like I can't do it by hand.
Your powers are weak, old man.
So I have to get a wrench and some pliers. Some pliers.
So this step isn't necessary to remove that other side, but it does help when it comes to cleaning the drain and makes it a little bit looser when you're removing the garbage disposal. Try to shift it away from the garbage disposal as much as possible.
So you're gonna receive one of these. These are kind of like keys. You stick it up in here, and you can turn it and push it either way. You're gonna want to twist it clockwise. All right, there we go.